In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to print a two-sided document on the HP OfficeJet Pro 8135 printer series. We will use the HP app. So let's start up HP app. If you are new to the channel, we do a lot of tech reviews as well as how-to videos. So please give us a like and subscribe. We'll select the printer. Select Print Documents. We'll print PDF. We'll print this file. Now this is a 4-page document that we're going to print two-sided on the printer. Go to Print Preview. Now the paper size in the main tray is A4. And we're going to select two-sided. Let's print. So this is a 4-page two-sided document. Page 1 to page 4 that was printed on the HP OfficeJet Pro 8135 printer. So this is how you print a two-sided document on the HP OfficeJet Pro 8135 printer.